What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications. If you're new here, hi, my name is Divoye. Welcome to my weird channel. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram. I have two friends here and they're YouTubers as well. I'll put the links to their channels in the description box. They were watching my video, one of my videos, and saw that I wanted a juicer for Christmas, and they sent me a juicer for Christmas, and I was so excited. I was so surprised, and I was so like anxious to just bust this thing off because I've always wanted a juicer and I've never had one. I was going to buy one, but they beat me to it. So we're gonna juice some stuff today. We got the juice. We got the juice today.
You got the juice now, man.
Okay, y'all, so I'm so excited! Okay, I know, I'm so weird. I'm getting so excited over a juicer. Like, I know, I'm just so weird. But anyway, though, this is the juicer that they got me. It is Hamilton Beach. I don't know what that means. I don't know if that means anything to anybody, but this is what it is. So I'm gonna open it. This is like an unboxing. This is like an unboxing thing. Okay, so I'm gonna unbox it. This is a wine opener. I don't even drink wine. I don't know where this came from. Okay, so we got instructions, which we're gonna need those. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh, so it has a little brush. I'm assuming to like clean it out or like scrub it out or whatever. Can y'all help? Like, why are you sitting there? You see me struggling. Grab this! Thank you, teamwork. Make the dream work. Okay, so this is the break it before I even get to use it. I was like that. I think I went through and got everything like unwrapped. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna wash it out with like dish soap and stuff, just because it's new and it came in a box and there's a lot of stuff going on in the world right now. I just want to be safe, so I'm going to wash it in the wash it off and then I'll come back. So everything's good to go. I think I've got the directions right here, and I went to the store and I got some celery, some lemon, some apples. This is like baby kale and spinach mix. Baby kale spinach mix. And I got some ginger. So this is like I'm trying to make that drink from Nectar. That's what I'm trying to do. So I'm gonna see if it works, if it tastes like, oh my god, I'm so excited. Let's see how this works. Let's read the instructions. Okay, plug it in. Okay, so I'm gonna rinse this out. Yeah, so I cut up some apple, I've got some ginger, I've got some kale, some spinach, some lettuce, and some lemon. Turn the juice to run. Hopefully y'all can see what it is. Let me bring this a little closer so you can see. Am I doing this right? I don't know if I'm doing this right. I should put the stuff in there first and then turn it on. You guys, here's the juice. It's just juice. There's no chunkies in it. I'm gonna try some and hopefully it tastes like the place. It's the same color as the juice from Nectar, so hopefully it tastes like it too, so I'm gonna try it. Kinda scared. And it's just juice, there's no chunkies. It smells okay. It's good. It's good, y'all. It's really good. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, I see how this works. We'll put it in before we turn it on. D. Yes. That's perfect. Mmm. Oh my gosh, y'all. It's so perfect. Oh my gosh. It's so good. I just need ice in it because there's no ice. Here, try this. It's good, huh? Got the juice, y'all. It's a success. It's success. I love this. I'm so stupid. I should have put the fruit in before I turned it on. So, but now I know. But we're excited. I just wanted to juice something. I was just thirsty to juice. Put it in first, then squish it down with this thing. Turn it on when we got it. Thank y'all for watching this video. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you thought, what you think of my new juicer. Oh my god. Comment down below, like, what should I juice next in my juicer? Yes. And then I'll do another video. And then I'll taste it. Oh, that'd be so funny. So leave a comment below. Let me know. And it could be anything. Like anything that's juiceable. And if it's nasty, then it's nasty. But I'll try it. I'll make it and then we'll try it. Thank y'all so much. And I will see you in the next video.